Once upon a time on a Thursday afternoon, restless and bored, my friend Cole and I decided it was time to pick up a GoPro camera, a couple Walmart kayaks, and a fishing license, and then drive somewhere as far as we could just to reset our minds. We headed north and ended up just outside of Bishop at a campsite called Pleasant Valley near the Owens River. It might be one of the easiest places to pull over and camp without a reservation as you drive towards Mammoth along the Sierras. There's an honor system to pay for your site once you've set up camp, so we picked our spot and launched our drone up in the air to see what was all around us. The river winded so far through the valley, it was almost like an Ansel Adams photograph as it stretched toward the Basin Mountain Range in the distance. The leaves on the trees had just started to turn and the fall colors started to show. So we decided to explore the area and realized that this winding river, which was the Owens River, stretched for miles, and it was perfect because we had the kayaks on the roof of the truck, itching to be put to use.
Come on, little guppy.
Got a stick, man.
Wow, the water's clear, man. I think it's too big for it.
After an afternoon fishing with no luck, I realized that my spinnerbait was basically useless because all the other fishermen were using flies and fly rods to catch brown trout that were running. So we decided that was the afternoon we were going to drag the kayaks down to the river and see how far we could go.
Woo-hoo-hoo! This is sick. I'm actually going to be stalling a bit too. Just get wrecked by the branches. Ah! Okay, there will be no proof that just happened to me. I shall be deleted. I just about decapitated myself. Oh man. Yeah. Can you see what your camera's looking at? I have mine kind of angled like. It's kind of cool. It goes nothing. Should we go left or right side of this log? It would be nice if there was no current, but the rapids kind of make it exciting. Oh no. I've hit like every boulder. So we probably look so stupid. We're going sideways downstream. Maybe we should just float and not paddle, dude. And just kind of steer. Because I feel like we're adding speed.
We're almost at our spot.
Yeah, just chill. That was a lot better than I expected. I thought for sure, like, once we came around those bends, I was like, oh, there's no way.
I almost want to, like, drop these things off the very beginning and then
What do you, wait, say that again?
I wish I had my footage, but I ended up flipping my kayak at the end of this run, so I lost it, but Cole's thankfully survived.
Yeah. Yeah. There's a sketchy part. I feel like we should probably dock it right here, just to not destroy our eyeballs. Those of us who don't have sunglasses. There's no way we can get limbo that.
Maybe. Although the stream is taking us.
Yeah, that was bad. I mean,
over the years, I always make it a point to drive down here, take some time to reflect on these days, sit on the roof of my truck and stare at the beautiful mountains in the distance. These were some of my earliest days creating, and ones that I'll forever hold on to.